and welcome to Maths with Miss Ali Mohammed. Today again we are converting fractions into decimals. We're focusing more on when the numerator is larger than the denominator. I've already got my place value chart drawn out here for us. First of all, what do we know about a fraction when the numerator is larger than the denominator? It's called something. What is it called? Is it called a proper fraction or is it called a improper fraction? Fantastic, it's called an improper fraction because the numerator is larger than the denominator. In order to make this fraction into a decimal today, I'm going to first start off by making this improper fraction into a mixed number. Before the holidays we had learned how to do that, so I'm going to do a short recap just to re-jog your memory. So I'm going to start off by drawing a number line. The reason I'm drawing a number line is because it's easy for me to see the numbers clearly. Okay, so we're going to start off by going up in tenths. The reason we're going up in tenths is because this fraction represents tenths. So we're going to start off with 1/10, 2/10, 3/10, 4/10, 5/10, 6/10, 7/10, 8/10, 9/10, 10/10. Okay, what do we know about the numerator and the denominator being the same? We had learned that when the numerator and the denominator are the same, it turns into a whole number because there's 10 parts out of 10 parts. So we're going to write one whole there to show that that 10/10 represents a whole. Okay, now at the bottom I'm going to write the improper fraction. At the top I am going to write the mixed number. Okay, so after 10/10 it's 11/10. 11/10 is also the same as 1 whole and 1/10. Oopsie. 1 whole and 1/10. Then we're going to do 12/10, which is also the same as, do it with me, 1 whole and 2/10. We've got 13/10, which is also the same as 1 whole and 3/10. Then we have 14/10, which is also the same as 1 whole and 4/10. And then we have got our 15/10, which is the fraction that we were looking at the beginning, and that is converted to 1 whole and 5/10. So 15/10 as a mixed number is 1 whole and 5/10. Okay, now we have converted it into a mixed number. This will make it easier for us to put it onto our place value chart. Okay, so how many wholes can you see here? Can you see any wholes? That's right, we can see 1 whole. So I'm going to put 1 whole in the ones column. Okay, and then we're going to put in our decimal point. And then how many tenths do we have? We have 5/10. So this 5/10 would go in, not in the tens column, it would go in the tenths column. 5 parts out of 10. 5/10 over here, you'd put it like this. And there we go. We have our decimal, 1.5, okay? So 15/10 as a decimal is 1.5. I hope this video helps some of you at home. Stay safe everyone, and I'll do another video for you all tomorrow. Bye, stay safe.